ass mark. Ah!
I think it's hitting the needle, dude. It doesn't bite.
No, you're good, you're good. Is this thing on or?
Oh yeah, bro, it's on there.
Oh my god. These pictures are gonna haunt me for the rest of my life.
Cheddar approves. He likes it.
Check that out.
Oh, that's sick, actually.
Dude, that's like there's a thank you trash bag.
You're gonna take your pants off. We're going to Vegas. Yeah. We got a little plane that we're gonna take there.
Really?
How's this? Executive spot right here.
21, right?
Yeah,
It's
plus
your
or
16th
minus.
birthday!
Welcome to Vegas.
I thought we made it first.
You got so many pixels you can put on that thing.
That's your next photo.
Squeak.
Thank you so much. You're the fucking best. This guy says he's gonna take us to the sexiest women.
Yes, watch me, motherfucker.
I love this guy. Fuck Tashir. No, I'll eat pussy.
But not ass.
Yeah, not ass.
The best boobies the motherfucker waiting for. Oh, this fucking
Let's go, boy. Woo, B12, boy. How you guys doing?
birthday to you.
Well, it's technically today, isn't it? No, it's
Tomorrow.
No, it's Thursday.
So we got 24
Fresh
hours.
Coke for the birthday boy.
Where's the bottle?
Big third.
Hey, how you gonna open it?
Don't worry, you'll figure it out.
I'm gonna vomit in 4 hours.
We're here, you know, Vegas. Cars just got here. About to get ready for the rally. Thank you, Mama. Appreciate the transport. All right, sure. You guys did an amazing job. No scratches.
Well, that's a good thing.
No, don't gotta file insurance today, huh?
No.
Oh my god. Happy birthday, Tashir. Happy birthday to you.
I got to Tashir's house. We were supposed to come out here just to celebrate his birthday. I wasn't going on the rally. And then he convinced me to ship my car out here. Harp filled it up with gas jugs, and it's here and it's ready to go.
Doing it the comfy way, dude. So wait, what's going on with Tashir right now?
His Instagram account is deleted.
Tashir doesn't know like who hacked his account, and they're demanding him to pay like $1,000 to receive his account back.
Is this somebody that he knows that good?
It was me. I did it.
We are here at La Nita Mexican restaurant. So this is our lunch spot before we head to Zion. Getting the cars washed at the same time. Then after this, Zion.
You're leading by example. I like that. Leading by example.
So where to find y'all 90 and a 65. Fucking 12 cops literally sitting there. They got me, but I'm still here. I ain't slowing down.
We're just gonna head straight from here to the resort. It's called Zion Wildflower Resort. When we get there, everyone has their own individual bungalow.
That's pretty sick. Oh, we got him good.
Yeah, baby! Oh my god! Oh my god! That's a
Hey, come on down to Zion Wildflower anytime. We have the barbecue for you to hang out at. We have the fire pit for you to roast some marshmallows and do some s'mores. Come on, come stay with us in the bungalows or the tents, baby.
Beautiful scenery. It's about 2 hours to get here. I think it's because I was in the very front, you know? Dude, everyone's behind me. See? Look at my car. I'm the first one here.
What happened?
Was it you?
I was in a GTR. I couldn't have done it.
I'm almost positive it was you.
Tony,
I saw you.
Tony, for the
Well,
cameras.
see, so got the car detailed right before we took off, and somebody in an Audi decided to spray water all over the freeway. So my freshly detailed car is messed. And I said, if anybody messes with my car this trip, just so you turn a small color.
I got you, dude. I've been holding two.
There you go.
First timer.
Much better than eating it alone. Yeah.
Dark black.
Almost purple. Oh, that's how you do it.
It's on your face right now, dude.
Why? Oh, Daniel.
What's up?
Oh. Why would you do that to the driver?
Yeah, no, we all died.
This is worse than the plan, dude. Oh.
From my point of view, I'm gonna shit my pants. I'm not gonna, you guys are gonna have to smell it for the rest of the fucking drive.
Dude, we get it. You're on 85.
We did not take that at all last night or anything.
We would never do it.
Never.
Good morning. It's Friday morning. We're all gonna head out. We're heading to Colorado today. We got Sexy Adam.
Oh, we're going to go to Colorado to smoke more weed. 1.5 degrees. Fucking A! Perfect alignment.
Let everyone know I love them.
Yo, we're about to get some Little Caesars right now. More the merrier. Are you serious?
Someone gonna eat this?
Freak shit.
You got a lot of cookies, bro.
Hey, you can't park there!
It's like actual size.
We're gonna go to Denver, try to beat the snow, get there a little bit earlier, go to lunch, go to dinner, and we're gonna go party.
We got Mr. Ballsy here with the R888s.
Yeah.
Snow.
Dude, these tires, man, the worst in the snow.
And it's been turbo.
I'm pretty sure I'm the only guy that's ever driven R888s in the rain and the snow. About 30 miles an hour. It took me about another 2 hours compared to everybody else.
Plus all-wheel drive helps, and we're in Colorado where they know how to clear the snow.
Come and go, baby.
We're coming, right?
You know how we do. Ready, baby. Let's fucking go.
Yo, we got an accident. Accident happened. I don't know. We're kind of stuck here for now, I guess.
I don't know. Not too thirsty though. Driving through a blizzard.
Yo,
That's a
you guys
first.
want to know the best part? Yaya
He really doesn't even do that.
Yaya doesn't
Dude.
even know this yet. But he went through the toll road thing where it was closed and the camera flashed like 3 times on his car when he went past it. And so he's gonna get the fattest ticket ever, but he'll
What
get that
toll
later.
road?
You know that?
I don't even got a license plate, so fuck it.
I don't know about the ticket.
This guy,
did I get out?
racing
What?
guys.
You gotta-
He got his ass handed to him.
It's been a long day, you know. Now it's sunny, like this shit's crazy. Hyprrally.
You
First.
still got here after me. So it's alright. We'll get
Bro,
the race
my car has
driver will
more
make it one day.
horsepower. I can't drive a high horsepower car in a blizzard.
Dude, that's
'Cause you
all
have
we're
low
talking-
horsepower,
are we
you still
talking about
fast.
the non-supercar race?
Because you have low horsepower.
About to get the car wash. Cars are super dirty. Just went through a blizzard.
Oh, it's cold-blooded like this. What?
Double bullseye.
Still gonna whoop them real bad. Don't
All right, so
worry.
their side versus our side. We're gonna see who does the best score.
You just bribed the guy, man.
Talking about, I gave him a handshake.
Oh,
Nice
yeah?
to meet you. That was it.
Give him a hand job.
It's personal. No pressure, Daniel. That's a good looking motherfucker. Yo, I do shit. Let's go bring some shit.
Come put it
Mine's the only normal one here.
Hold off on it for like 5 minutes. He'll get tired.
He gets a little tired after every
Oh yeah. See how fucking I get tired.
So this is our lunch stop, the Hyprrally. As you can see, it's very luxurious, sophisticated experience with a good view. Sign up.